Hey Bella, good morning. My voice is hoarse this morning. I am having problems with Zoom. I'm really sorry about that. It allowed me to schedule the meeting, but I haven't downloaded the latest version and it's been working okay. And this morning, I guess it decided enough was enough. So it's not working. I did send you an email and a remind post, but what I'm going to try for you real quick, because I have to run out here in just a little bit, I'm just going to try to make another video specifically for you about the project, and maybe that will, maybe work out a few of the kinks and that kind of thing. So what we're looking at in this challenge is, let me come on back up here. The idea is, I'm sure you guys have heard of the Restaurant Festival in downtown Westchester. So what we're saying, that restaurant festival happens in the fall, and obviously this is all hypothetical, but what is happening is that they're running a marketing competition for new local small businesses, and they can win $5,000 for their marketing budget. So the overall idea is that you're going to come in here and you want to choose from one of these four companies. So you can decide if you're the owner of On Point Dance Studio, Accelerate Athletics, Good Eats, or Dip Donuts. So you have to choose one of those four. After you choose one of those four, then basically what you're doing is you're going to put together a very short type presentation, and you're trying to convince this group that you should win the $5,000. So let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions, and maybe this is going to make a little bit more sense. So it starts out and it says that you want to choose one of the companies on the next four slides. So that's what we just looked at. The next thing says that you want to select 3 forms of marketing from the table below, and that you actually want to create those marketing items for your company. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to decide which one of these 3 that I would like to do. So maybe I want to do this one, and maybe I want to do this one, and maybe I want to do this one, for example. So after I select the 3 that I want to do, I'm then going to create those 3 forms of marketing collateral, and I'm going to put it into a Google slide. So if I was to select this one, create one social media post designed to engage customers, and maybe I was going to say that my company was On Point Dance Studio, I'm going to develop one tweet or one Instagram post that is going to be promoting On Point Dance Studio. So it's like you're the owner and you're trying to promote this dance studio. So you're going to do 3 different things like that. And again, so you've got 6 options. You're only going to choose 3. And then it says you're going to create a video pitch to submit your assignment that has the following components. So we want to see a visual of what you've done, and we also want to hear your voice. So this is just a quick sample that I threw together. So if I would have selected the company Dip Donuts, I'm going to tell you that it's Dip Donuts right over here. And then the 3 different items that I selected were new product, branded merchandise, and sales promotion. And I chose, for the purpose of making it quick, to actually put them all on the same page. And you're just going to talk to me a little bit. So you can do this in Google Slides. You could do this using Screencast. You could use your webcam. You can use the webcam that's in Schoology. Anything like that. You should not feel like you're trying to edit a video. So if I work for Dip Donuts, what I would be sharing with them is that a new product that I would like to launch is a peanut butter and jelly style donut. I think that that's going to draw in a lot of customers that harken back to that old combination of peanut butter and jelly. We'll also have branded merchandise such as this candy colored Dip Donuts embroidered visor that we think is going to be a hit with a lot of people. And a little sales promotion that we're going to have is going to be a dozen donuts. Every purchase of a dozen donuts, you get a free fountain drink. So that's what I would do for Dip Donuts. So I've got my visual, and then you're also going to be able to hear my voice. You don't have to have anything where we see your face, but if you want to do that, that's totally fine. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this and email it to you. I will have my phone with me for the next little bit. I'm just not going to be able to Zoom until later on today. All right, so feel free to reach out and I'll make sure I get in touch with you. Take care.